Welcome to the N English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, September 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Morning, Alex. How are you today? I'm feeling good after that extra sleep last night.
Morning, David. I'm fine, thanks. This coffee helps me wake up. What about you?
Yeah, I need it too. Long day yesterday with sales calls. This machine is my best friend in the morning.
I know. It makes the day better. Did you catch any news this week? There is a lot going on.
Oh yes, I did. First, that big story from Nepal. The Prime Minister resigned because of protests. Young people are really upset.
I saw that. The protests started over a social media ban. They want free access to apps like Facebook and Instagram.
Right? And it got violent. Police used force and some people died. At least 19 dead, I think. The parliament even caught fire.
Yes, it is sad. The youth are angry about corruption too. They call it the Gen Z protest. Social media helps them organize.
Imagine that here. If our company banned social media, I could not check quick updates on clients. Sales would drop fast.
True. In projects, we use it for team chats sometimes. A ban would slow everything down.
Exactly. The Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli had to quit. Now there is an interim government. Youth power, huh?
It shows how important the internet is today. People want transparency from leaders. No more hiding corruption.
Yeah, and TikTok was not banned there, which made it funnier. Protesters used it to share videos. Smart kids.
They did. It connects the world. But governments worry about control. What do you think will happen next in Nepal?
Hard to say. Maybe better rules for social media. Or more protests if nothing changes. Anyway, pass the milk? Thanks.
Sure. Hey, speaking of tech, did you hear about NVIDIA in China?
Oh, that anti-monopoly probe. China says NVIDIA violated their laws. Big news for tech.
Yes. The State Administration for Market Regulation found issues in NVIDIA's 2020 deal. They bought a company called Mellanox.
Right. Preliminary probe shows monopoly behavior. NVIDIA makes chips for computers and AI? China wants fair competition.
It could lead to fines or forced changes. NVIDIA says they follow all laws, but the probe continues.
Ouch! We use NVIDIA graphics in our office computers. If prices go up, IT budget hurts.
For sure. In project management, we need fast chips for simulations. Delays could hit timelines.
Tell me about it. Sales demos run smoother with good tech. China's playing hardball in trade wars.
They are. It affects global supply chains. U.S. companies like NVIDIA feel the pressure.
Yeah, stock dipped a bit, but NVIDIA is strong. They will adapt. Remember when they dominated gaming?
I do. Now AI is their big thing. This probe might push others to innovate more.
Good point. Competition keeps everyone sharp. Like in sales, you always watch rivals.
Exactly. It is like managing projects. Anticipate issues early. What else caught your news eye?
The TikTok deal. No ban in the US. Trump announced a deal with China to keep it running.
I read that. TikTok stays open for entertainment. Short videos, music, dances. It is popular with young people.
Yeah, the deal avoids a full ban. Users can keep sharing trends and culture. Good news for fun.
Society benefits. It spreads ideas and connects friends. But there were privacy fears before.
True. China owns ByteDance, TikTok's parent. US worried about data. Now they agree on rules.
Smart move. Businesses use it for ads too. Quick marketing without big costs.
I see sales tips on there. Fun way to learn. No ban means more content creators happy.
Yes. It is part of daily life now. Like coffee breaks, quick and enjoyable.
Exactly. Imagine our office without it. Boring lunches.
For sure. Culture changes with apps like this. What do you use TikTok for?
Mostly funny videos after work. Relaxes me, you.
I watch project tips sometimes. Helps with ideas, but not too much work first.
Wise. Anyway, these news make the world feel small, all connected.
They do. Politics in Nepal, tech in China, entertainment here. Impacts us all.
Right. Keeps mornings interesting. Coffee is getting cold. Time for another cup?
Maybe later. I have a meeting at 9. You?
Call starts soon. Busy day ahead.
Me too. Projects need updates.
Okay, let's go. Have a productive day, Alex.
You too, David. See you tomorrow.
See you. Don't work too hard.
Haha, same to you.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.